Hello everyone, my name is V. Chandrakiran Reddy. I am 8th 10th rank GATE 2020 and I am a graduate of IIT ISM Dhanbad. Before we start this session, I would like to thank everyone who has been supporting Paradise Academy for the past 1.5 years. And so let's get into the topics. Okay, today I will be teaching you about what are the job opportunities that are there for petroleum engineering graduates post their campus recruitment. And we'll also be talking about the gate, its pattern, and we'll do some analysis about the gate examination. And I will be also teaching you about what is Petrodice Academy and what are the products and services the Petrodice Academy is offering. And before we go into the online live classes and what is DICE online live classes and its features, we'll be giving a brief difference between what is the difference between online live class sessions and the recorded sessions. And we also talk about the features of the online live classes. And we'll also be going through the registration process to get into the DICE online live classes and what is the fee structure. Okay, firstly we'll go to what are the job opportunities for the petroleum engineering graduates post campus. Okay, for petroleum engineering students who has been graduated, they can get into two sectors. One is the private sector, the other one is the public sector. Most of the public sector companies, means mainly ONGC, recruit through GATE only, whereas the private sector companies mainly prefers campus, whereas some of the private sector companies also recruit students through off campus also. I will be explaining it to the students how the off campus recruitment works and when will be the notification for the recruitment of the private sector companies will be released. Okay, let's go to it. Firstly, job opportunities. And we have two types of companies. One is the public sector companies, the other one is the private sector companies. In the public sector companies, we know that there are mainly two companies. One is the ONGC, the other one is oil. Before we go into the public, let's go to the private. Many of the private companies recruitment can be classified into two types. One is regularly. These companies every year they release the notification on a pre-set time period. That is, one of the companies such type of is Shell India. And the second type is the vacancies. These companies generally recruit students based on the number of vacancies in their company. Example, Reliance India Limited, Kane India Limited, Schlumberger, etc. And basically they take students once in every 2 years. Let me tell you about the process of recruitment process for Shell India company. Generally they will release a notification for job in India two times in a year, one in March, other in October, 2 times in a year. Even though they release the notification 2 times, a particular student can apply for the job in Shell India only once in a year. They have to choose whether they will apply for the job in March or in October. Only once. Let me go to the recruitment process of Shell India. Once the job notification has been released, they will ask the students to send their CVs and fill an application form in careers.shell.in. Once the notification will be released, we will also release the same notification in the Petrodice notifications page. After After you have submitted the CVs and application, they will shortlist the students based on CVs. And the next step, the second step is they will invite you for an aptitude exam, aptitude and a psychometric test. After the once you have finished these two steps, then they will shortlist the students and they will call the shortlisted student for a phone interview. After the phone interview, there will be a final Skype interview. In these interviews, they will mainly focus about the what do you call, your projects, your conceptual skills and everything, even your communication skills also. In these two interviews, the final Skype interview also includes a HR round also. After that, let's come to the another company. Based on vacancies, there are means once in 2 years, once the number of vacancies in a particular company increases, they will release a notification. Such companies are Reliance India Limited, Baker Hughes, Schlumberger, etc. For Reliance India Limited, there will be a separate exam, and they will shortlist the students based on the score. Separate exam. They will shortlist the students based on the score, and they will call for a GD round and a interview round. Okay. The other companies like Baker Hughes, Schlumberger, Halliburton and British Petroleum, which has recently announced a particular reservoir engineering center at Pune, they will have almost similar process such as the Shell India. Sometimes they will slightly change the qualification details also. We will suggest the students to visit the Petrodice notification tab daily, so to see if any of the notification has arrived or not. And apart from these companies, these large companies, there are also some other companies which recruit petroleum engineering graduates. We have already mentioned the different oil and gas companies in India on our website. Actually, the companies we have mentioned in our website, they don't have a particular recruitment method. What they do is they enable a HR to recruit individuals of our Petrodice graduates from different throughout India. The HRs generally use LinkedIn to find this particular set of individuals for the job. So what I will suggest for the students is if they want to do a particular job in oil and gas industry, they best have a LinkedIn account and increase their connections in their LinkedIn account, so they can get the job offers directly from the HRs of the particular companies. And if you have any doubts or anything, you can just call us. We will help you in setting it up. Or if you have any doubts also regarding these examinations, we will try to help you. We will also try to help you. Okay, let's come to the public sector companies. ONGC mainly take through GATE exam GATE, which I will talk about ONGC in the next slides. Let's talk about another exam. Next is Oil India. Basically the Oil India has a separate examination. They will have a separate exam. This exam will be conducted once in every 2 years. Once in every 2 years. The last exam has been conducted on October 2019. We estimate the next exam will be on the 2021 on October or November. But due to the current coronavirus situation, it may postpone also. And basically the Oil India exam is 1.5 hours, and they have a questions of 100 marks. 100 questions with +1 and minus 0.25 marks. Each question has +1 and minus 0.25. They include both aptitude and petroleum engineering questions. They'll also have mathematics also. So next year I suggest the students to prepare very well for this examination also. And yeah, these are the main opportunities through off campuses. Right now I'm talking about the off campus job opportunities. If any of the students want a job opportunity through GATE or through off campus, we suggest the students to increase their CV and have a very good knowledge about your project that you are doing in your college. Even if you don't have a project, even if you have not done a very good project, they will ask whether the project you have done. They will ask the question about the project and how understanding capability you have about the project, not about the what you will call the type. They won't focus on the type of project. They will focus on the understanding of the project that you have done. So before attending any interview or any examination or any interview or going through HR round or anything, we will ask the students to just prepare the project, means prepare for particularly your project very well. Okay, these are the mainly job opportunities through off campus. Right now I have explained to you about off campus job opportunities. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Yeah, GATE examination. What are the opportunities you get through attempting GATE examination, or you get through attempting GATE examination? One opportunity is you can get into ONGC. The second opportunity is you can do a higher education or MTech in IIT ISM Dhanbad or IIT Madras. Let's go very detailedly about it. Yeah, GATE. They can get into any PSUs such as ONGC. They can go for MTech. Generally through GATE there are vast number of colleges that recruit through GATE, such as IIT Madras, IIT ISM Dhanbad, RGIPT and PDPU, various others also. Generally when a student is attempting GATE, they mainly prefer these two colleges. One is IIT Madras, the other one is IIT ISM Dhanbad. Wait a minute. Yes. Generally there is a small misconception that a particular petroleum engineering student who has done BTech can apply for only petroleum engineering in MTech. That's not the case, and it's not true at all. If you have completed GATE and you have got a good score, you can in IIT Madras only you can apply for two branches. One is petroleum engineering, the other one is thermal engineering. thermal engineering. Even in thermal engineering, actually there are two categories. When you apply for IIT Madras through GATE, even in thermal engineering there are actually two categories. Wait a minute. One is with MOES scholarship, and without one. Generally, if you choose thermal engineering in IIT Madras, you can also Ministry of Environmental Science will provide you a scholarship. Means half number of the students will be provided MOES scholarship apart from the money that the college provides. And you can also apply the same thermal engineering without scholarship also. That is through GATE. Even thermal engineering are also having very good job opportunities in the IIT Madras. Apart from petroleum engineering, generally every year companies like ExxonMobil, Schlumberger, even ONGC also recruits directly from IIT Madras, directly IIT Madras students. I think last year ONGC has recruited, I don't know how many number of students, has recruited IIT Madras students from IIT Madras MTech students. So in IIT Madras there are good job opportunities when compared with off campuses. There are more job opportunities through an MTech degree, that is in IIT Madras and IIT Islamabad, than on off campuses. We generally I suggest the students, if you want to go through an off campus job, best complete your MTech. Many of the companies prefer MTech students. And whereas in IIT Islamabad, apart from petroleum engineering, you can also apply for geo exploration, and even industrial management. Apart from petroleum engineering also, you can also apply for geo exploration and industrial management. They are also having very good opportunities. Many companies also, ExxonMobil also visits IIT Islamabad for recruitment. And yeah, that's the thing about MTech and its offers. If we go to ONGC. Wait a minute. Yes. ONGC recruits mainly through GATE only, and the process for recruitment for ONGC is, first they shortlist the students based on GATE score. They shortlist the students. That's the first step. After shortlisting the students, an interview will be conducted to every shortlisted student. Then they will grade every student that has appeared for interview. What they will do is, they will grade students out of 100. They will have a percentage, means GATE score. A GATE score of 60 marks, means they will have 60% from GATE score, and out of 60 they will the 60% weightage of GATE score on interview, there will be 15%, and on your qualification degree, they will have 25 marks. That is 25 marks. Majority of the recruitment, means maximum amount of marks weightage will be on your GATE score only. And for qualification, they will give 20 marks for every graduate, for every BTech graduate or MTech graduate. The extra 5 marks will be allotted to PhD students. Okay. Yes. And let me also explain to you what are the branches that you can apply in ONGC. Yes, in ONGC you can apply for reservoir engineer, apply for drilling engineer, you can also apply for production engineer, apply for material management. This is not the technical branch, but they will also recruit through GATE a petrol engineer, material management officer. And they will also recruit a cementing engineer. And if you want to get into ONGC or through any MTech colleges, the best rank means to be above 800 and 850. You have a very good chance to get into an MTech. If you have good rank below 100, you have a good chance to get into any ONGC if you have good rank below 50. And yes, I think these are the main things you have to remember when you are attempting GATE. Yes. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, I will go to the next slide. Yes, GATE pattern. I think majority of the students know how the GATE examination is conducted. Even though I'll just explain it to you briefly. A GATE examination is of 100 marks. 30 questions will be of 1 mark and 35 questions will be of 2 marks. And it is also be divided into an aptitude and technical sections. Aptitude will have 15 marks, whereas technical will have 85 marks. Whereas the technical will have both maths plus petroleum engineering subjects. And the main pattern is it is conducted through MCQs and numericals. Whereas the numericals have 0 negative marks, whereas MCQs will be on 1 mark and 2 marks also, whereas the 1 mark will have a negative mark of minus 0.33 and the 2 marks will have minus 0.66. Whereas numericals will also be divided into 1 marks and 2 marks also, but they don't have any negative marking. Yes. One of the main things you have to remember is maths plus aptitude will be allotted a marks of total 30 marks. They play a very crucial role in deciding your rank. So we suggest the students not to neglect these 2 subjects, because if you can score very good amount of marks in these 2 subjects, we can get a very good rank. Yes. After GATE pattern, let's go into the next slide. Yeah, GATE analysis. I think this is not much importance. I will just explain it to what is happening here. These are the top marks that has been achieved on that particular GATE examination. On an average, year first ranker will have 75 marks. If any of the students can score 75 marks, they can easily get one first rank or second rank on that particular exam. Okay. Yeah, this is very important. Very important. As we already mentioned, if you want to get into any MTech, it is best to have your rank below 100. That is MTech below 100. You want to get into ONGC, we suggest you a rank below 50. on of as GATE 2020, a student who has scored 49 marks has scored 800. A student who has scored 59 marks has got 850. These are 849 is this year a student who scored 49 has got 100th rank, whereas 59 has got 850. On an average, if any student can get 53 marks in a GATE examination, they have very good chance of getting into MTech. On an average, if any student can get 63 marks, see, this is the marks, they have very good chances to get into ONGC. It's very important. See, if a student can get 63 marks, half marks, that is 30, almost 30 marks you can score from aptitude plus maths. So we suggest the students not to neglect these two subjects. These two are very, very important. And when compared with other branches, suppose like CSC, mechanical engineering and other branches, petroleum engineering, mathematics have very less syllabus. That's why we suggest the students not to neglect mathematics. Okay. Yeah, that's it. You can go to the next slide. This is the very important part. We'll just exploring what is the percentage of marks allotted to the particular subjects on a particular examination. I think already everybody know reservoir engineering, production engineering and drilling engineering plays a very good role, very huge role. They contribute more than 50% of the technical part, that is of petroleum engineering. I will just show you very detailedly. See, in GATE 2020, 51, yes, yeah, 51 marks is from only reservoir plus drilling plus production. From these three subjects only 51 marks has been given. Combine that with aptitude and maths, 81 marks has been given from these 5 subjects. So we suggest the students before going into any other topics or such as formation evaluation, petroleum exploration or various topics, we say that please complete these 5 subjects first, because they play a very, very huge role and very, very important role in getting a rank. And see, as of 2019, 36 marks is from these 3 subjects. In 2018, 42 marks. In 2017, 35. In 2016, 45. Yes. So, as you can see here, almost on an average, every year 40 marks are from reservoir, drilling and production. You can see if we combine that with 30 marks, that is maths plus aptitude, which combines a total of 70 marks. See, let's go to back one minute. See, if you want to get into, wait, is this, as I showed back, to get into ONGC, you have to minimum score of 63 marks. To get into ONGC, you have to score a minimum score of 63 marks. That's right. And if you can see here, 70 marks, that is, you see, 63 marks to get into ONGC, that is air less than 50. That is 70 marks are only from reservoir, drilling, production, maths plus apti. So we suggest that the students should complete these 5 and they should lay their more focus on these 5 subjects. We are not saying that leave all other subjects, but what you are saying is lay your more focus on this. Okay, let's go back and we'll see the other subjects. Yeah, after these 3 subjects, maximum marks, that is, you can see here average maximum marks are from well testing and formation evaluation. So we suggest students, if you want to get a very good score in GATE examination, they have to do maximum number of numericals, very numerical. They have to solve as many as questions as possible, rather than remembering the formulas. They should know how the formulas came and what is the, they have to have the conceptual knowledge rather than remembering the formulas. That's the very important part of it. That's what at Petrodice Academy we will teach. Okay, yeah, let's go to the next one. Yes, Petrodice Academy. If you come to Petrodice Academy, this Petrodice Academy Institute is established by our seniors who has been currently being working at ONGC. They are an alumni of IIT ISM Dhanbad. They are actually my seniors. And right now the faculty at Petrodice Academy are only ONGC employees and some GATE toppers, mainly myself, and I will be teaching reservoir engineering, whereas the other faculty, if we come to drilling, we have Mr. M. Anwaruddin sir. He is an ex ONGC drilling engineer. He used to also teach graduate trainees in ONGC. Apart from that, apart from being an ex ONGCian, he is also has a very good amount of teaching experience in drilling engineering. If we come to the next part, production engineering, we have Mr. Subbaya sir. He is an ex production engineer who has served all over India. Apart from being the ex ONGCian, he also has a very good amount of experience in teaching field. And in Petrodice Academy, maximum number of teachers are ex ONGCians. I have very good teaching experience. That's very important part, because teaching experience is very important for the students to interact with the teacher. If any of the teacher doesn't have a very good amount of teaching experience, that won't play, that the student can't understand very well. Okay, if you go to the next part, yeah, about the products and services of Petrodice Academy. Right now Petrodice Academy as of this year won't be conducting any classroom program. There won't be any classroom program due to the coronavirus situation. So what we have done is, we have converted the classroom program into an online live class sessions. The online live class sessions will be the same as classroom program, but there will be some advantages when compared with classroom program also. In online live classes, the recordings of every class will be available to the students for 10 days, so you can revisit the class if you want. That is the main thing about online live classes. Online live classes are same as classroom program, except they will be done digitally. And we also have online test series, that is Petromaster 2021 this year. And we are also having DICE publications, books, that is India's first publications for GATE Petroleum Engineering. This is the first publications that are established by the Petrodice Academy for preparation of GATE material for GATE examination. Okay, many of these books are being helped and prepared by some of our faculty members, so you don't have any doubts about the quality of questions and the quality of material that is being provided. Each book will have both MCQs and synopsis of the subject. Synopsis. Let me explain it to you. What are the books? See, consider for reservoir engineering, reservoir engineering, the total book is been divided into 7 sections. The total book is divided into 7 sections, and each section means totally it will have 700 plus MCQs, and each section will have synopsis of the subject. So they can revisit they can just go through all the concepts just before the GATE examination. And the 700 MCQs are very good quality questions prepared by our faculty members only. And apart from reservoir engineering, every book, drilling engineering, production engineering, well testing, formation evaluation, every book will have MCQs and as well as synopsis of the concepts. And apart from this, this year we won't be, the DICE publications has not been published mathematics plus aptitude books, but we will be providing maths and aptitude books with conjunction with very different publications. That means we will give different books, the books that does not belong to our own academy, the maths plus aptitude books, which has been with the books that has been suggested by our mathematics and aptitude professors. Okay, I think we have completed all the 4 things: classroom program, online live classes, online test series, and DICE publications. If we go to the next, this is the very important part. Generally, what is the main difference between an online live class and recorded sessions? And what are the main advantages of online live classes when compared with recorded sessions? See, in Petrodice Academy, we believe that a student can learn properly if there is a very good amount of student-teacher interaction. That's what the online live classes provide, that recorded sessions does not. Consider the second thing is schedule. A student can follow, means he can, as every day the Petrodice Academy gives assessments, work problems. Means what is the schedule means the Petrodice Academy will keep the student busy by giving various work problems, means tutorials to solve, and the books to read, everything to keep the student occupied towards these 6 months. In these 6 months, the student will be occupied with the work and tutorials that the Petrodice Academy provides. Suppose I will just explain it to you properly. What is the class schedule? If you can study in home by watching lectures, it's good. But you don't know when to study what, means what we'll be doing in Petrodice Academy is we will start with a particular subject. Suppose we are with drilling engineering. After completion of certain portion, it will be converted into reservoir engineering, because we don't want any student to teach to learn everything in one subject at a time. All the portion will be divided into various topics. After each topic, simultaneously a second subject will be started, so that the student will be occupied and they can follow a particular schedule. After each class, they can study properly. Whereas in recorded sessions, you don't have that such thing, because you can study anytime anything, and you don't know what to study and when to study what. Whereas in reservoir engineering, suppose we have completed porosity and permeability topics. If this is in recorded sessions, next, what is the next thing you have to do? That is what you don't know. But in online live classes, you will be provided with some of the questions to solve, and there will be an exam so that you can study for that exam. And you will also given some books to refer. Suppose after completion of porosity and permeability, we will suggest the students to complete Tariq Ahmad from this page number to this page number before attending the next class. So in the remaining time, apart from the lectures we are conducting, they can study, they can complete the syllabus, means they can refer the syllabus and they can enhance the syllabus, enhance the concepts of their own by suggesting these three. And apart from them, we will give exercises. We will also suggest the students to complete the Tariq Ahmad exercises at the back of every books, and or Dandekar exercises. After completion of the exercises, if the students have any doubts, we will discuss the difficult questions in classroom, so that it will be very engaging and it will be very satisfactory for the students, so that they can be at the end of the 6 months course, they can be very confident, because they by the end of the 6 months course they will at least complete 7 to 8 books in reservoir engineering. That will be suggested by Petrodes Academy. Similarly, for production engineering and drilling engineering, we also keep the students busy. That's what I am trying to say. And that's what, okay, the competitive environment. See, if you are studying for recorded sessions, there won't be any competition. You will be studying in your house only, and you will be writing examinations in the different test series or any other thing. But in online live classes, you will have a particular schedule, because see, if today the porosity and permeability class has been completed, in exactly 5 days the porosity and permeability exam will be conducted, and you have to study along with many other students, and you have to score ranks with the same amount of work that all of you are going to at the same time. That means there will be a healthy competitive environment that can help in improving yourself. That's what the online live classes provide, that recorded sessions does not. And let's come to the doubts discussion. If you suppose after 5 months, after completion of every subject, 5 to 6, you have some doubts regarding suppose in drilling engineering you have some particular topic, in suppose drilling fluids you have some topic you can't understand, you can ask the student, you can ask the sir to revisit the lecture and explain to you properly, or we can place a lecturer to help you guide it, because a particular topic at the starting of the course it will be taught to you in a very easy manner. As the course go on, you will be improving, and the teaching methods also should be improved. Suppose in September we have completed drilling fluids. The same class that if you refer it to it in January, it won't be of any help to you. The class has to be improved. The advancement of the questions also should be improved. That's what I am trying to say. If suppose in drilling fluids only, the questions at the starting of the course, means if at the starting of the course the teacher will be teaching you very basic questions. At the end of the course he can explain the advanced questions also, which can't be taught at the starting, because you can't understand it at the starting point. That's what I am trying to say. The doubts discussion classes will also be done, whereas revisit lectures that's the only part of record sessions is you can revisit lectures. Today if you can revisit the lecture as many times you want in recorded sessions. That's the only profit you have in recorded sessions. Apart from that, we generally prefer the students to take online live classes. That's very important. Okay, I think that's all here. One of the main features of online live classes, DICE online live classes. 12 books will be delivered to your doorstep. It will be delivered to you in 2 batches. That that is 6 books, 6 books, 6 books and 6 books. And recorded sessions, if today a class has been completed, the recorded session of this class will be available to you for the next 10 days, so you can revisit it, and have, if you can revisit it and clear any doubts you have. Experienced faculty, as we have already told you, we are right now the teaching faculty is of ex-ONGC employees who has teaching experience also. Ex-ONGC employees with teaching experience. And regular assessment tests, and we will have weekly tests, monthly and full syllabus test, to keep a very healthy competition in the classroom. We will be conducting various examinations. Suppose after completion of 3 weeks, we will be conducting a test which related to all the topics taught in the last 3 weeks. That apart from that, if suppose in reservoir engineering, if we have completed some topics, petrophysical properties of rock, we will be conducting an exam after that, after teaching it. To keep a very healthy competitive environment, we will be conducting various regular assessment tests. That's very important for learning. Okay, next, go to the next slide. Yeah, test discussions. We at Petrodyes Academy believe that a concept can be effectively learned if there is a discussion on questions that you attempt. Suppose a test has been conducted and some of the students have some wrong answers. They have to know how, from their point of view, how that question has been wrong. The question has to be explained properly. Then can only you can right your wrong next time. Only test discussion can help you clear your conceptual knowledge correctly. Not any other things. Only test discussion lectures means after every test there will be a discussion on every question. On every question, the teacher will ask if there is any doubts on a particular question, and the student can ask the teacher, sir, this is the thing I have studied, and why this is wrong from a point of view. That's what I am trying to say. Only test discussion lectures can clearly help you clear your concepts correctly. Okay, and the doubt resolution sessions. Already I think I explained to you back then. The doubt resolution sessions are at the end. After the completion of whole syllabus, there will be doubt resolution sessions where if you have doubt on any concepts, it can be clarified. The concept, everything can be clarified easily. And subject-wise lectures, including mathematics and aptitude. We will be teaching both mathematics and aptitude simultaneously with every petroleum engineering subject. As we have already told, mathematics and aptitude plays a king's marks, that is almost 30 marks, king's share of marks in GATE examination, that is 30 marks, which play a very crucial role in your examination. As unlimited seats, yes. In a single batch, we will have a maximum of 50 students. As we have to have a very good relation with the students, and we have to have a very good student-teacher interaction. We will have a very limited number of seats in each batch, that is 50. Okay, next, the features of the classroom software. The software which you will be attending it through from your home or your office. It can be done through both mobile app and laptop, and basically we have custom designed it for our users. That is, we have also incorporated raise hand feature. Suppose if a student have any doubt, it can be asked directly to the teacher by pressing the raise hand feature. It will be available on your user interface. And the whiteboard option, if the students have any doubt, the teacher can enable. You can talk to the teacher and you can also write on the common platform board like this. You can also write also. Any student can write it on also by when the teacher give access to the student. And we have live chat box. On the left hand side you can see there is a live chat box where the classroom can have discussions or ask questions to the professor. It has both classroom conversation, and you can talk to any student privately, or you can talk to the professor directly. And the polling feature, wait a minute, during the class sessions the teacher can ask doubts. Suppose, do you understand this concept? Did you? Yes, no, yes. A poll will be present because the teacher can ask students directly the doubts, the questions that you want to ask with the teachers. The software that we have created is very interactive, and it will help the students easily to interact with the teacher properly and effectively. These are the main features of the online live classes software. Okay, if you can go to the next, the registration process of online live classes. If you want to register for online live classes, you can go to the petrodash.viziqxt.com and sign up on the website, and you can pay the registration amount for the course. After paying the course, after sending the money, you have to send your address and verification documents such as Aadhaar card, passport, or driving license to support@petrodash.com, so we can send you books and every other thing along with the address proof and verification address and verification documents. You also have to send a passport size photograph of yourself. Then the process is over. You can start attending classes from August 5th, 2020. And if you go to the fee structure, the fees for this course is the fees for this 6 months course is 6 months course of 42,000. If you want to register seat in this institute, you can pay the registration fees of 5,000, and you can pay the remaining amount in two installments, that is 20,000 and 17,000. And we are also providing a discount for the students, that is 10% discount for first 15 students, that is early bird discount. And we are also providing group enrollments, because if any 5 students join at a single time and combinedly, each student will get a 15% discount in his fees. That's the fees. For this 42,000 you will be getting 12 books, 60 plus tests, and 6 months online live classes with recording facility. And that's all. Next, these are the frequently asked questions by many of the students in the past 5 to 6 days. The one question is, I am a final year student, does my university classes clash with yours? We'll make sure that the classes timings is so flexible that it won't clash with any of the university classes. Or if due to any personal reason if you can't attend the class, you can revisit the class up to 10 days from the date of upload. What we generally suggest the students is to daily attend the class, because if they want to have a very good student teacher interaction, they best have to attend the class. That's very important. That's the main purpose of the online live classes. And when you will you send us your books? Yeah, it will be sent us in 2 batches. At the start of the course, we will send 6 books. After 1 month, we will send the other 6 books. And does our online live classes include mathematics and aptitude? Yes, our online live classes includes both mathematics and aptitude. It will be taught by very good mathematician who has GATE teaching experience in GATE field only, and the aptitude also will be taught here. How many tests will you conduct during this course period? We will conduct an about 60 plus. Even though we are saying it 60 plus, there will be a vast number of tests. We suggest the students be ready for very good number of tests. To keep a very good healthy competitive environment, we will be conducting very vast number of tests. And for how many days will the recording be available? Yeah, the recording will be available for 10 days only, because we don't want our students to revisit any of the previous lectures, because if a student has any doubt, we want the student to have a very healthy conversation with the teacher, so you can ask doubts. If there is a limit on how many days before you can watch the recording, the student will have the compulsion to complete the recording on a particular time, and it will give him a very good motivation to complete the course with the remaining students that we are teaching. Yeah, I think these are the mainly asked questions in the past few days. Yeah, apart from that, if you have any doubts or any questions you want to ask me or us, you can call us to this number or mail us to this both email ID, or visit us on www.petrodash.com. And yes, thank you very much for attending.